It's pretty easy to hear the word fungus and think, yuck, what an icky, useless thing. But what exactly is a fungus, and why do we care about them? Fungi are organisms that aren't quite plants and aren't quite animals. They aren't able to walk around like animals do. They can't make their own food like plants do. There's also a lot of variety to fungi. Some, like yeast, are single-celled and reproduce by simply copying themselves. Others, like mold and mushrooms, can grow quite large and have a more complex life cycle involving spores. While it's easy to consider fungi unimportant at best and dirty or dangerous at worst, they actually have many important roles in the economy and in society. Fungi are important to the agriculture industry, as certain fungi are necessary for helping plants grow. Mycorrhiza is a word that describes the fungus's association with plant roots. While this may seem like a funny name, myco refers to fungus and rhiza refers to roots, so it actually makes sense. The mycorrhizas have several benefits to crop production. They are involved in uptake of minerals and may help protect a plant from drought and pests. The fungi in the soil can be destroyed by poor farming practices, so in order to produce as many crops as possible, farmers sometimes need to supplement their soil with mycorrhizal fungi. As you can imagine, this is incredibly important to the economy and society in general. Food production is vital and requires a lot of workers. In the United States, agriculture provides nearly 10% of all jobs and added over $900 billion to the GDP in 2014. 1. Mushrooms. Besides growing crops, fungi play other roles in our food supply. The most obvious are the fungi we eat directly, mushrooms. These large and varied fungi can either be cultivated, meaning they are purposely grown, or harvested wild. A word of caution though, don't eat a wild mushroom unless it has been